Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to have a super quick video about the Meross LAN integration. Now I did a video last year and reviewed the Meross MSS310 power management plug. And in that video I showed you how to integrate into HomeAssistant using the Meross IoT Cloud integration. This was super simple to implement and get up and running. But this morning when I was checking my production HomeAssistant, I found that this integration had stopped working. Now this is a cloud-based integration and I had been meaning to move this to a local-based integration for some time, but never got around to it. So today we'll be correcting that and implementing the local Meross LAN-based integration. So your time is precious, let's get it done. Now there is no official HomeAssistant Meross integration. However, there are two HomeAssistant community store integrations that have been built by the community. Now, if you don't have HACS installed, then you need to watch the video in the pop-up above, and once installed, come back to this video. Navigate to HACS in the left-hand menu. Search for Meross. Here you can see the Meross integration with 765 downloads at the time of filming. Below this is the Meross LAN with 515 downloads. The Meross integration is a cloud-based integration, and the Meross LAN is the local integration, but does require some additional steps to get up and running. This was the error that I was getting from the integration this morning, so I deleted the integration. Let's try and add it back and see what errors we get. The HACS component for the Meross integration is already loaded, so there's nothing to do in HACS. Now let's add the HomeAssistant integration. Navigate to Settings, Devices and Services. Press the Add Integration in the bottom right-hand corner. Search for Meross Cloud IoT. The error config flow could not be loaded 500 internal server error got itself into trouble. Now that's a descriptive but not very helpful error message. But it's reason enough to move to the Meross LAN integration. Press OK. Navigate to HACS in the left-hand menu. Now select Meross LAN and press Download in the bottom right-hand corner and confirm with download. This should only take a few seconds. Refresh your screen to make sure that the download button disappears. This means that the download has been successful. Navigate to Settings. You should see that the Meross LAN now requires a restart of HomeAssistant. Select Restart Required and press Submit. Now press Finish. HomeAssistant should now restart. Once HomeAssistant has restarted, we can add the Meross LAN into the HomeAssistant integrations. Navigate to Settings, Devices and Services. Press Add Integration in the bottom right-hand corner. Search for Meross and select Meross LAN. Now select Register a Meross Cloud Profile. Select your account region. Enter in your Meross login and Meross password for your cloud account. Select Save Password, Allowed Cloud MQTT Publish, and check firmware updates. Now I can hear what you're saying, but Paul, this is accessing into the cloud. What the integration will do is it will go to the cloud and it will discover the devices that are logged into your cloud account. It will then bring down the information associated with those and discover those locally. It will then build the integration to be able to manage those without any internet access. Press Submit. You'll be greeted with a success message. Press Finish. The integration has gone off to the cloud and has brought back the two devices that are connected to my cloud profile. Let's add those now. Press Add. For the study computer, give it an area and press Finish. Now press Add for Paul's electric blanket. Give it an area and press Finish. Now refresh the screen. Now let's test it out. For this, I'll unplug the internet, but I will leave the router functioning. I'm going to be selecting Paul's electric blanket, so I press the device's hyperlink below this. Now by pressing the toggle switch associated with the outlet, I can see that the blanket has actually turned on, and I can toggle it off as well. And this all locally on my LAN, but without the internet connected. So that's Meross devices connected locally and working without the internet. Although admittedly you do need to connect to the internet one time to get the device profile information. But for this super convenient way of integrating locally, I think you can forgive the developer Krahab for this great integration. Don't forget to send some thanks in his direction on GitHub, link in the description. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, then hit that like button, comment and share. And if you want to have access to similar material, then subscribe or maybe become a channel member and get early access to material plus other perks. And if you want to join other like-minded people, then why not join us on the Discord channel, where smart home enthusiasts meet to discuss all things smart home. And if I've helped you fix your integration and get your Meross applications integrated into HomeAssistant, then maybe a super thanks or a PayPal donation. It's really appreciated. Until the next one.